Alright guys, welcome to another video. This one, we're back down WB & Sons. This is the first auction of 2025. Not going to be an in-depth one, try and get a little bit of footage out of the auction hall. So we'll get in, have a look about, see what there is to see. So it is, like I say, it is auction day. So there's plenty of people in the background, so, as you can hear. So it'll just be you see a quick walk round Renault Sport Clio. Four-wheel drive seat there. Renault will be a bit of a rare thing. Little Mini, that was here last time. C-Class Merc. It's quite a clean car, being a one-owner car from new. It's 107,000 miles. And full leather. Nice clean interior. Very well presented little car, that. Great price on that one, 8 to 12.
64, 2005 Mercedes C220 diesel. One owner from you, this one, one owner from you. Telephone bids on this as well. Starting off Diego on the net at just 600, 650, 650, 650 there now, 650 now to the room. Out the telephone at the net, one owner from you. 700, 700, 750, 750, 750, 800, 800, 800, 850, 850, 850 pounds. All the Mercedes there now, 850, 900, 900, 900, 950, 950, 950, 950, £1,000 we're going to put on sale, and £1,000 on sale. In the room at £1,000 is at 1100, 1100, 1100 says no more on sale. Out of the phone, out of the hall, right here on sale, and £1,100 only. One owner from you, and £1,100 there once. The hammers up, we're selling £1,100 there twice. Selling away, 1,100, that's yours.
All for there, that was there last time. I think last time we were here it was a couple of weeks before Christmas. Little MX-5 on a 13 plate. Quite tidy little car. Do a bit of a valet. Can't see the miles there. A hard top one.
MX-5 with 3,250 on the internet, 3,250 big. 3,250 back to 3,250 provisionally selling. 3,250 big. At 3,250 going away, 3,250 on the dot. 3,250 back from the cheap, 3,250. 3,250 big. At 3,250 going once. Going twice, it's provisional on the internet. And over 3,250 back. Provisional then.
Box to there. Another little Mazda. A couple of Mercs. I'm tell you, I had a quick look at this earlier. It's no reserve, this one. Ooh, nearly fell over. It's not the best example, but it's still an Impreza. It is a turbo car. You see, offered no reserve.
Here to be sold to the highest bidder on the internet and go starting in 2,250 pounds. 27.50 big, at 27.50 big, at 27.50 big, 27.50 on the net, 27.50, 3,000 right at the back there. 250 here, 32.50 big, 32.50 big, at 32.50, 35 in the back, 3,500 pound you printed, 3,500 selling all the way, 3,500 pound net you're out, 3,500, send the back in the hands up on the car, 3,500, that's yours.
And jag. Extra coupe here. I imagine they'd be quite rare now. Offered at no reserve. It's been stood away, obviously you can see. Bit of a project car. Bit mould on that seat. Interior, other than that, the interior is quite clean. Surprised at that. Maybe make a car for someone.
This one on sale £420, £420, £420. This is today on sale. There we go. £420 on the Aston there. At £420 once. Sell away at £420 twice. Sell away at £420.
Here, Mark II Transit, a chassis cab and a van. A bit of surface corrosion on the gutter of the van there. Showing 77,000 miles. It's quite tidy in the back there. See, the steps had some work, or the whole van had some work. Not too bad of a thing.
The Transit, full Transit, 1985, look it up. 37.50 we start, low money. 37.50 for the Transit, 3,750 back. At 37.50 for the 37.50, anybody got ball? 37.50 bidding away then, 37.50 now. At 37.50, submitting a 37.50 goes away. Hold on a short 37.50. No provisional net.
This is chassis cab as well, yeah. Chassis wheels don't look too bad. Back of the car looks canny. Interior is quite clean for a commercial. Showing, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 48,000 miles. Obviously Dewey checks out that. Doorstep looks alright.
Checks out.
The Transit. I'm sure you've seen this. Starting it with me on commission 37.50 on the net. 37.50 big, big's about 37.50 big, 37.50 now. At 37.50, 4,000. At 4,000 pound, a 4,000 pound in the rig. At 4,000 pound big, room big, a 4,000 pound. At 4,000 big for the Transit, anyone else? 4,000 pound in the way then. 4,000 pound we submitted. All done. 4,000. Provisional sir, your number.
Right guys, so there with the cars that were outside. I'm going to have a look through the auction hall in a minute. First we're going to have a sandwich and a cup of coffee. Right guys, going to have a look around the auction hall now. There's commercial music playing in here, so I'll just have to do I'll put some music over the top and just do a voiceover. So a two-door Impreza here. This one's an American import car, but strangely it's right-hand drive. No clocks for the miles. So you'll stick it up as a World Rally car. It's got the fiberglass WRC kit on, wide arches similar to 22B.
It's got 1996 Subaru Pressa two-door project. It's an American import sedan. They've got a two-door sedan. Have a look at this. Again, what's a little polish? The engine bit there, the wheel goes just £3,000 on the net. So just £3,000 on the net. Where's 250, £3,000 on the net only. You have just £3,000 on the two-door shell there. £3,000, the engine's in it. £3,000 there once. Officially selling, we submit the highest bid on this one at £3,000 price. Make no mistake, submit the bid away at £3,000 and then official £3,000.
So this one's a cool truck. It's a Dodge Ram SRT 10. Has the same V10 engine. It's fitted into a Dodge Viper. Cool truck. Triumph Dolomite 1500. This one's fitted with the overdrive gearbox there, as you can see. This car comes with a large history file. Can't see there, but it's got 86,000 miles. Has MOT until November 25. This is one of those Marmite cars, guys. You either love it or hate it. Based on a BMW Z3. You see all Z3 internals there. Obviously it has a bolt-on AC Cobra style body kit. This one's shown 125,000 miles. It's a 1900 petrol engine and is MOT till June of this year.
£2,000 on my sheet, £2,000 with a 2,000. At £2,000 with a £2,000, triple £2,000 bid. Over £2,000 with up £2,022.50 there. £22.50 in the room. £24.50 bid, £25.50. £25.50 room winner. £25.50 bid. At £25.50 provisionally selling in the room. £25.5 bid at £25.15. £26.50. £26.50 bid. At £26.50, going away, £26.50 now. £26.50 on the net, £26.50 once. £26.50 twice, last time then, provisional net, £26.50.
This Alpha's a nice clean car. Very clean interior, as you can see. Showing 111,000 miles. It's MOT'd till June this year. Well presented little car, that one. this VW Beetle. It was built as a show car. It's got R32 front seats fitted. The car is showing 169,000 miles. This car is also running air suspension. Unfortunately, the car's on the hit list as a Cat N from 2022. Cat N being non-structural damage, obviously.
It's a Volkswagen Beetle on the air ride suspension with the custom interior there. It's a proper look at this. Look at the price of this as well, just £1,700. The suspension's probably double that. Have a good look at £1,700 there. I'd be like £1,700 there now. £1,700 on the Beetle. Where's 18? And £1,700 on the 18, 19 of the next. 19 of the next, 2,000 all day long. £2,000 of the room there. We're nearly there, £2,000. Where's 250? Where's 250? I'll take ones now. £2,000 all the way out. 21 of the next, 21 of the next, 22. He knows he's seen it as well. £2,200, 23 of the next. I'm going to put it on sale. It's on sale at £2,300 up. 24 on sale in the room of the house up at £2,400 once. The hammer's up at £2,400 twice. I'm selling away at £2,400. That's yours, sir.
We've got this Honda S2000. With contrasting red and black leather interior. This one's showing 99,000 miles. That's MOT till April this year. Nice clean car, this one.
Number 124 now, the Honda. The Honda is 2002, 2005 car. Again, not many of these around. Tell them bidders ready. Starting on the next 5250. 5250B at £5,250. 52.5, 55. 55 bid, 55 in the rim, 55 on bid. £5,500. 5,005 bid, 750. 5750, where are you? 5750, thank you, 6,000. £6,000. £6,000 in the room here. £6,000 bid. £6,000. Phones are out, the bids in the room. £6,000 was submitted with £6,000. That's 6,000. If you're done with it, money goes in. 6250 on the phone now. 6250 bid. That's 6250 bid for the Honda. £6,250. 65 I've got. 65. Phones out. 65 room below. 6,500. That's 6,005 bid all done. 6,005 going away with a 6,005 once. 6,005 twice. Everyone else now goes here. 65. Provisional sir. Number.
Next we've got this little Corsa VXR. This has been a one owner car from new, this one. Clean enough interior. The car's showing, you can't see there, but it's showing 83,000 miles. And this one has engine upgrades of over 200 brake horsepower.
This one, XC1, that is not offline as well. On my sheet, I look at the same price my sheet will be the next at £3,500 there. On the VXR at £3,500 on the VXR there now. 3,500, where's 750? £3,500 on the VXR there now. At 3,500. Submit the bid, on my sheet there, £3,500 once. £3,500 twice. 3,500.
Then there's this Subaru Impreza WRX S model. Car does have a lot of ProDrive upgrades. Has MOT till March this year. This one's showing 66,000 miles. Full leather interior.
WRX S there. WRX S. You have a look at this one in red, nice car with the leather. There we go. £4,000. £4,000 there. On the Impreza, 4,250. 4,250. You see there, 4,250. He's got the money. 4,250. 4,250 there now. At just 4,200. Stats here, he's got plenty of money. 4,250 there now. At £4,250. Visually selling. At 4,250 once. We'll give it a go. We'll try it. At 4,250. 45. 45. 45, 45, is it 750, 45, he says no, the stats say no as well, at £4,500 there, on the there at £4,500 there, once British split the lid, at £4,500 there twice, we submit the bid at 45.
VW Golf R32, looks a tidy car, full leather interior. This one's showing 103,000 miles. It has MOT until April this year.
Is this car again? On the internet there, at just 3,250, 3,235 straight in, 35 out the net, who was first? £3,500, 3,750, 3,750, 4,000 all day long, 4,000. 4,250, 4,250, 4,250, you're out there, 4,250, 4,000, 45, 45, he says no, went close, 4,500, in the room, out the net, out of here, your big step, 4,500, and British sell once, at 4,500 twice, British selling, so make the bid, at 45, your number step.
This one's a rare car, guys. A Golf G60 Rally. Half leather interior. This one's shown, you can't see there, but it's 168,000 kilometers, which equates to about 104,000 miles. As you can see, with the wider front and rear wheel arches, this would accept the wider track of the four-wheel drive. Of course, the car's supercharged as well. This was a homologation car for Group A rallying.
The little Golf G60 Rally, 1990. I've got loads more interested in that internet. I got here on my sheet £25,000. £25,000 on the sheet, £25,000 with 25. At 25,000 bid. At £25,000 money's here, 25,000. At £25,000 with G60, 25,000. Holding on, £25,000 at 25. Sure finished. Won't dwell 25.
A little Honda Civic here. This has got some turbo upgrades. Fortunately, I didn't catch this one going through the block. Not bad looking little car. Does require a bit tidying of the interior. Next, this little Vauxhall Nova. Clean and tidy little car, this one, guys. Little Nova has Bilstein suspension fitted all around. Quite clean on the interior there. This one's showing 65,000 miles, but it's believed to be 45,000 miles as it has a digital dash fitted. Under the bonnet there, we've got Vauxhall's 2-litre 8-valve engine fitted.
Right, the Vauxhall Nova, we have got engine shop, there we go, the Vauxhall Nova. 17, on that £1,700 Nova, 17, 18, 1,800, Barrett 19, 1,900, 1,900, at 19, 2,000, 2,000 pounds, 2,000 pounds, 25 and up to, at £2,500 on that, 27.50 bit, 27.50 on the phone, 27.50 bit, 27.50, internet around, beats on the phone, 27.50 the person shop, 27.50 bit, are we done? Anyone else coming in? 3,000. I've got 3,000 pounds with 3,000 bid now. At 3,000 pounds on there. At 3,000 pounds. Last time 3,000 once. 3,000 twice. All done. At 3,000 instant.
This next one will be another rare car, guys. An early Honda Prelude. Very clean, this one. Very clean interior. Showing, you can't see the miles there, but it's showing 39,000 miles. This one's had 2 owners from new. Unfortunately, it has no MOT.
Commission bids, got telephone bids, I'm starting it straight in 3,500, 37.50 bit, 37.50, 4,000, 250 with me, 42.50 bit, 42.50, big to me, 42.50 bit, at 42.50, 45 on the phone, 45, text mine out, 45 on the phone bit, at £4,500 on the phone, £4,500 selling originally, at 4,500, 45 on bid, anyone else on this? 4,500, weighted provisionally, £4,500 goes once, goes twice, provisional on 45, provisional on telephone.
Right guys, that's it from the January auction at WB & Sons. Thanks very much to WB & Sons for allowing us to come down and do this video. A little bit different content. Hope you enjoyed that one. Put your comments in, let us know what you think, guys. Thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.